Most people type a question into ChatGPT and get a basic answer. But there are 5 specific prompts that work completely differently. These prompts do not just answer questions. They save you up to 2 hours of work every single day. I will show you all 5 right now, and each one takes less than 30 seconds to use. Welcome to AI Skills Sprint, where you learn one practical AI skill at a time. Let's get started. These 5 prompts work for students, freelancers, and anyone who uses a computer for work. You do not need any technical skills. Just copy, paste, and edit with your own details. Prompt number 1, the Summariser. If you read articles, reports, emails, or study materials, this prompt saves massive time. Here is the exact prompt. Summarize the following text in 5 bullet points. Use simple language. Focus on the most important information only. Here is the text. Paste your text here. Why this works. Instead of reading a 10-minute article, you get the key points in 30 seconds. Students can use this for textbooks. Freelancers can use this for long client briefs. Business owners can use this for reports and emails. Prompt number 2, the email writer. Writing professional emails takes time. Most people spend 15 to 20 minutes on one email. This prompt writes it in seconds. Here is the exact prompt. Write a professional email for the following situation. Describe your situation in 1 sentence. Keep it short, polite, and clear. End with a call to action. Example. Write a professional email for the following situation. I need to follow up with a client who has not replied in 5 days. ChatGPT will write a complete, ready-to-send email. You only need to add the name and send it. This alone can save you 30 minutes every single day. Prompt number 3, the explainer. This is the best prompt for students and anyone learning something new. Here is the exact prompt. Explain topic to me like I am a complete beginner. Use a simple real-life example. Keep it under 150 words. Example. Explain compound interest to me like I am a complete beginner. Use a simple real-life example. Keep it under 150 words. The reason most people struggle with ChatGPT explanations is they ask vague questions. This prompt forces ChatGPT to be simple, short, and use examples. Perfect for studying, learning new skills, or understanding anything confusing. Prompt number 4, the task planner. If you feel overwhelmed with your to-do list, this prompt organizes everything for you. I need to complete the following tasks today. List your tasks. Create a simple step-by-step plan for my day. Prioritize the most important tasks first. Keep it realistic and clear. ChatGPT will turn your messy task list into a clean, prioritized daily plan. No more wasting time deciding what to do first. This prompt takes 30 seconds and saves you at least 20 minutes of mental effort every morning. Prompt number 5, the content idea generator. This one is for freelancers, creators, and small business owners. Coming up with content ideas every week is exhausting. Here is the exact prompt. Generate 10 content ideas for your topic or business. The audiences describe your audience. Make the ideas practical, specific, and beginner-friendly. Format as a numbered list. Example. Generate 10 content ideas for a YouTube channel about AI tools. The audience is beginners and students. Make the ideas practical, specific, and beginner-friendly. You will never run out of ideas again. Use this every Monday morning and your entire week is planned in 2 minutes. Let us quickly recap all 5 prompts. Number 1, the Summariser, for reading and research. Number 2, the Email Writer, for professional communication. Number 3, the Explainer, for learning anything new. Number 4, the Task Planner, for organizing your day. Number 5, the Content Idea Generator, for creators and freelancers. Save this video so you can come back to these prompts anytime. If you found this useful, subscribe to AI Skills Sprint. Every week I share one practical AI skill you can use right away. No hype, no complicated steps. Just useful AI tools explained simply. I will see you in the next video.